Hey everyone, Mike Sherry here at Sherry Vans. Brian's behind the camera. Today we're going to show off this 2022. This is a brand new Honda Odyssey with a VMI Northstar. It's a side entry wheelchair conversion on it. So we're really excited to show this van to you today. Of course, it is a front wheel drive van, has all the Honda reliability to it and versatility of the Honda van. And then being a VMI side entry wheelchair van, what you get is you get the opportunity, power door, power ramp then comes right out, as you can see, and then the van will actually kneel down a few inches to allow this ramp angle, this ramp approach to be nice and gentle so you can easily wheel your chair right up into the van. So you can see now the back of the van is now dropping and has a nice gentle approach. So the ramp itself has a weight capacity of 1,000 pounds. It's 30 inches wide, so from here to there is 30 inches wide, and nice gentle approach to allow you to get your chair into the rear of the van here. Now this does have the Duralast floor, which is a really durable floor that they put in, and if you notice, the floor goes all the way back here, and you got your various tie downs all throughout the floor, so multiple positions you can put your chair, and also it goes up front here where the driver and the passenger seat is. VMI and the Northstar conversion, either one of these seats, either the driver or the passenger or both, can be removed, and they have tie downs in the floor up there for your wheelchair. So you could be sitting in your chair and driving the van, or sitting in the passenger seat and driving the van. And then also the really cool thing, and I believe VMI is the only company that does that, say you drive to your destination, but you're tired and you're like, I really don't want to drive home. Well, the passenger seat then can interchange and go to the driver's seat, and then that person can drive and you could have your chair in the passenger area. So a really nice option there. So really cool vans. It does have a lot of fail-safes. We get the question often, you know, what happens if I can't get the ramp in or out? Well, if you can't get the ramp in or out, there's an electronic override over here, these two buttons over here. It's called the shear deploy system. And say, if you still can't get it, there's actually old school crank down in the floor, so fail-safe crank there. Very rarely has that ever happened, but there is a couple options there if you are concerned. Also, this does have the VMI side park assist. So this being a side entry wheelchair van, you do need an empty parking space beside you, and as you exit the van, if you want people to know that, hey, this is a side entry wheelchair, you can just push this park sense button on the side and close up the van, and then if a vehicle does park beside you, it'll be an audible warning just letting them know that they did park next to a wheelchair accessible van, and if they could please move their vehicle. So really nice feature there. With that, we're going to go ahead and cut, and we'll jump to the front of the van and show you that some of the nice features up in the cockpit of this brand new Honda Odyssey van. So we're talking about new Honda vans. This has full warranty from Honda, and then it has the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty from VMI and everything VMI has done. And on top of that, VMI guarantees that what they've done to the floor, the lowering of the floor, will not rust through in 7 years. So it's the best warranty out there. And how they do that is they use Galvanneal steel. If you want to do a quick research on Galvanneal steel, it's pretty cool, the process to make that and to make it corrosion proof. So, all right, back to the van. So we have in this van the 3.5 liter V6, so a lot of power, front wheel drive, of course, 10-speed automatic transmission. Has all your modern features in here in these Honda vans. Your shifters are all push button here, so you can go from park to reverse to neutral to drive, all right here at your fingertips. Then also down here you have heated seats up front here. And then you can change your traction from snow to economy, and you can turn on and off the auto start stop. Now this over here is a button that VMI has added. This will deploy the ramp and allow it to come out in the PowerKneel to work. And then down here we do have some power options. We have USB and a 12-volt power outlet and some more down here. Now there is a switch down here. This controls the lighting down through the floor. There's a nice bright LED light back in the second row compartment as well. And then up here you have your radio infotainment center. This doubles as your backup camera. I'm gonna click it in reverse and try not to run over Brian here, but we've got a nice color backup camera with multiple angles here. And then it, of course, has phone connectivity. This is an AM, FM radio, and let's see here, it also has Sirius XM radio capabilities. This vehicle is also equipped with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. What that is, you plug your phone into the USB port provided here, and that's going to pull up real-time navigation off your phone, as well as text messaging, voicemail, and phone calls coming in and out of the vehicle, all through your phone, but it pops up on the screen, which is nice and easy to do. Now in this van, there is 3 zones of climate control. You have a rear zone that can be controlled back here in the back. There's a panel right above my hand here. And then also you can control up front here. So you have a rear climate, and then you have 2 zones up front here. You have your driver and passenger. It's an automatic system, meaning you can set the temperature like you would in your house, say 72 degrees, hit auto, it keeps the van at that temperature. A really nice system. This van also is packed full of safety equipment. It has adaptive cruise control, it has lane assist, it has hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on your phone hands-free. So a lot of nice options there. Now I showed you a little bit what the remote control can do. This is the keyless entry. It has lock and unlock. You can open up either power door, either the power door with the ramp or the power door on this side, and also has power liftgate in addition to remote start. So a lot of options right there on the keyless remote. This van also has memory seats, so wherever you put your seat, you can program it in for up to 2 drivers. So that makes it nice too. Your seat goes to where you left off. So a great van, an awesome mobility option out there. If you have needs for mobility, give us a call. We have all sizes of vans, from really big to really small to kind of in the middle like this. So a lot of different options out there. Take a look at our website. We'll post some links down in the description. And as always, we look forward to hearing from you. If you are interested in financing, we've made it super simple. We'll just drop a link down in the description below. You can fill out your information. We'll let you know if you qualify and what your payment rate and term will be. So we appreciate you watching. Thanks for hanging out with us for a little while. We hope to hear from you soon.